Hello friends, and welcome to this installation video. The first thing I'm going to do, once I've removed all the packaging, is we're just going to take these screws off the sides here. Just loosen those up and free up our main attachment here. All right, so there it is. It looks pretty cool. And if you wanted these going different directions, you could simply just take this, like this one off, and have it go to one across. So that way you could have ones not only going like this, but like this. So it's fully customizable to like any way you want to throw out the light. So it's definitely a pretty nice looking piece here. So you can have these vertical, you can have ones going this way, that way. That's how I'll put out a good amount of light, and it looks really cool. So, all right, my friends, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Well, one final thing I forgot to mention is if you want these to go up, these wires, you can just push them up in there. And then to go down, it has this little lip on here. So you just put your fingernail on there, and then you can just slide it down. So it's pretty cool. You just push that up like a little button, and then you just pull down as much as you want. So super easy to adjust. Just push it in, and then that slides down just like that. So it's really easy to make it fully customizable. Like I said, if I wanted this one to switch to look at this angle, I can just remove this cable, hook it up to the one off the side here, and you can make it any way you want to. Okay, friends, have a great day. Thanks for watching.